personally, just wanted to tell you guys personally that wow, I'm psyched to be in this little town visiting Old Frank Station. That's very cool, guys. And we keep going. Oop. We missed our turn. But here's Williamsville Public Library Museum, guys. So this town's got some cool stories to tell. Yeah. Oh wow, huge weeping willow tree. Okay. And yeah, as quickly as we got into town, just as quickly we're out. So Brant, professional agriculture. Uh-oh. This road closed ahead. But somehow still taking me through this way. Yeah, this is a super old road. What it's saying is taking me through here. It's saying there's another road up here that I gotta like kind of swerve right to. Oh yeah. Guys, this here's some rough terrain. I should have went on this road right there, like a Dumbski, Oops. Yeah. Google. But no Google. There's a trail here. Over a country road Oh man, that was horrible, guys. Sorry about that. IPG, Illinois, Viper Mine. Yeah. All right. So this is more like it. Yeah, there's the motorway. So we're not a million miles away. And yeah, guys, look at all those windmills. Maybe they're powering some of those factories that are here, because I see quite a few factories coming up with smoky chimney stacks. Alright guys, 4:37 left. And we're doing pretty good. Nothing aching. Yeah, nothing aching. Temperature seems to be perfect, just right. In about 15 minutes, we're gonna hit Viper Mine. Deliveries and visitors use gate 2. (800th Avenue). That's pretty interesting. I've never seen an 800th Avenue. I've seen 125th, 116th, but never an 800. Well, they got one here. Southern Illinois, baby. Has it all. So yeah, I wonder what kind of mining they do up here. Maybe like iron ore.